Morning guys, just done the morning feed. My boys, just waiting for our driver with his trailer to come and take these cattle up to their summer grazing. At the moment, because we haven't had much rain, but we have now. We had a good dose overnight and the grass has slowed down a bit. I don't know whether you can see over there. Got a silage feeder. So we're buffer feeding them at the moment. Just let the grass catch up a bit. As I said before, 5 big ones are going to stay up here, but the rest are going. Because the store cattle price is so expensive at the moment, we're not going to be in any rush to buy. We'll leave it for a while. The thing is, are we going to make any money at the end of it on beef if we're buying them at such a high price for store cattle? So we're just going to hang off for a while, no rush. So we'll see how that goes. So if our mate don't get in contact with me in the next few days, I'm going to have to move him over to the next field. But I didn't want to do that, and I don't want to put him up there because I planted grass seed in the next field up, and the only water supply is in the top field above that, so they've got to go through where I planted the grass seed. So it'd be nice to just let that go. I might have to fix something. God, it's cold this morning. So that's all that's going on at the moment. I got some fly treatment for him yesterday, but because it's meant to rain again today, I'm not going to give them that today because it wants a few hours to dry off onto their backs. We use a thing called Spot On, and it keeps flies and lice off. And we'll have to dose them again in the summer, but it's easy to do, just pour it on their backs and that protects them. So not much going on at the moment, but the rain has done the world of good. It looks greener up here already, which is nice and pleasing. So there's Cooper. Hello, Coop. Such a cuddly Coop. Yeah. Hello. You'll be going up to summer ground. Yeah. Morning, Pat. Yeah, good that. Bye then, guys.